Hi guys, it's nazir-ø, and Isabella's okay because she climbed off the tree. Now we're gonna go back in there. Probably should just forget what happened, but so yeah. First we gotta go in here, just like we've done before. I walked through here, and yep. I probably don't want to go over there. I don't know what's over there. Isabella, you again? Don't cause any trouble. And she climbed up that tree, and guys, hope the neighbor won't get that. Over there. Stay quiet. Isabella, don't. Get down from there, girl. Wow, I'm really high. Get down. Oh my gosh. Don't. Gotta get down. I might fall, guys. Oh. Wow, I didn't fall. I just walked backwards. That's really cool. And now, Isabella, I saw you poke your head through there. You went back. Oh, an owl. Oh, what the heck? Get down from there. See her right there? That's right there. She's right there under that tree. Come closer. Yeah, girl. Oh, look at that truck over there. You see that truck? That truck, what I'm pointing at. Right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like it's orange and white. Oh, hey, Isabella. And for you guys, hey. Not gonna hurt you. And for you guys, to look at her when she's close, this is what she looks like. She looks like a panther, like, wow. I want to know what the owl is, because I haven't been near this part before in my neighborhood. I like the color of that sky. That looks creepy. Oh my gosh, I'll fall down again. And if you really want to see me roll down this hill, look at it in part 3. Yeah, part 3. And we'll see you soon.